Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Tomaž Hribar, coming from Alarm2GSM, Slovenia, and I will just show on quick what we are doing with IQRF. So this is probably the house for Šimon in the future, and we'd like to equip this house with some different detectors and sensors in first plan to be more secure. So we have different type of detectors, like, okay, this is some schematic what we can do in the house. So this is one heat alarm detector, battery operated, and we equipped it together with this IQRF module, so it is actually compatible to IQRF network. As you see, it has a lithium battery inside, so it can work up to 10 years without any problem. You don't need to change batteries, and this is, I think, also very important, because if you have to change batteries every 3 months or 4 months, it's not really good. So the next detector is carbon monoxide detector, also battery powered. Also, as you can see, we added the IQRF module inside. It's compatible with the other detectors in the system. Here is it looks like the same, but should not be. Yeah, it is the same. Okay, it was actually it should be smoke detector, but the principle of the working, the networking is pretty the same like for the other two detectors. And here is also low power movement passive infrared detector, battery operated. So we're using just 2 alkaline batteries and IQRF module inside, so we can place it in any position in the house. A lot of these detectors, and we have anti-burglaring protection as well. On the end, we have to connect these detectors on one gateway. So this is our gateway, which is not just a standard gateway. We can use it also for access control. What was actually the primary functions of this unit. And then we add on the unit, here is the place for the IQRF module. So the unit, it can work like an alarm control panel, so it can receive all data from different detectors, and the unit works on 2G or 3G. It's depends which module we are using. So we can make a direct connection on the web server or so-called cloud. To manage this unit, we have our own web server, but of course this server, this is more or less to set the parameters and everything. But of course this server can be also connected over API to the third-party cloud or server, so we can exchange data very simple. On the detector, we have also possibility to put the wire standard analog temperature detector, but if we have IQRF, it's better to use some temperature sensor, like for some other producer. So this is schematic how it looks. On our unit, we can connect also external entry unit, which allowed communication. Then we have all these detectors on our main unit, and we can extend the unit also with Exio 4 units, which has 4 inputs and 4 relay outputs. So on the end, we can create quite big network, and of course we can add different detectors, sensors, relays, etc. Okay, this is this extension module, which can be used also inside the detector. Inside this extension module is also IQRF module, so it can be used also for the third party, like input-output module. And this is one case study. I just got one request from one of our clients, and it is so-called fouling alarm for mare, for woman horses. It is because it's a problem. Usually mares fouling during the night when everybody sleeps. So farmers are very interested to get the alarm when the fouling starts. So the concept is to have IQRF module and this fouling alarm. We can measure temperature, then position, and sweating. So usually the mare start to sweat very much before the fouling. So in this case, we can send over the IQRF, we can send this alarm to our GSW2 unit, and this unit can make a call or send a SMS and wake up the farmer. Of course, we can add more of these detectors, not only one, and we have only one gateway to wake up the farmer. So it's already on the market, a similar system, but using short-range radio. So if the bar is away from the house, it's very difficult to make the right connection. And here with GSW2, with GSM, we are practically we have practically no limits about the distance. So this is in very short presentation everything what I want to say. And if anybody will have some additional question, I will be here until tomorrow, so we can talk about. Thank you very much.